Okay, here's some suggestions to try. We will. I've tried a couple of sites here. Uh, so, um, so the first thing, let's make sure. And I saw that you can run this here, uh, open with live server, but it's going to start up. So you can just click on this and wait for it to start here, and then it opens up the site like this. So one of the things, and I'll put this in the message, but this is, you can just use this. So it looks like that, and then hit, and it should bring up that site. If we turn this off, if we turn the live server off and you put this in here, it will give us this message. Or you can right click here and open in default browser, and then it will show it like this, but it won't load. It's loading the CSS here, but it's not loading the images. And so if you want to change, so the default browser may be a different browser. And so you can go under here and type default, and it'll show default apps. Go under here, and you can type in Chrome, and it will show you. As soon as you do this, you can come down here and choose by file type, type .html. Give it a second. Okay, so it shows, so currently it's Chrome. Yours may show something else. You can click this here, and if you want to, you can change the file type right there. And I'm not sure how much that will make a difference. But so one of the other things is you can click go live, wait until you see, and I've already done this, so sometimes there's a message that pops up here. But this is not showing, so, but I can do this and then open with live server, and then this will show that part, or I could just do this and open once it's running. It says live server, so I think, yeah, so this is showing, it says live reload is not possible without a head or a body tag, but it's, I'm just showing you like what is possible with, and that should be the behavior. And I saw that you had Chrome pulled up and nothing was pulling up there, and so I'm not really sure what's doing that, but you should do this and you should get the open in default browser or open in other browsers. So let's see if we do it this way and open in other browsers. Let's try Microsoft Edge. Oh, I can't find my Edge there. So at that point, I'm going to start up a Microsoft Edge. Then I would look at, let's see if, okay, so I'm just looking here to make sure I've got my live server running. So that's running, and then I can take this address that we've got right there. I can pop this into Microsoft Edge and it will show. So you can try that in other browsers, and so it will work. So let's make a change to this. Not sure what this one will look like. Let's do the save. So you can see it changed here in Edge, and it also changed here in Chrome. So hopefully this is helpful.